guys, welcome back to another video. So a couple videos back we went ahead and unboxed the new wheels for the 240. They're the 326 Yabaking wheels. I've been wanting them for a while now, but they're so expensive. But we finally got our hands on one and I'm super excited to see how they fit on the car. Just because they're so wide, I used to run an 11 in the back, so adding that extra inch, I don't know if it can clear with the fenders, but we're gonna go ahead and see. Hopefully it does.
So this is the 18 by 10 half?
Yeah, it's 18 by 10.
Oh, it's actually perfect.
Oh, yeah.
That's perfect. Damn. She'll probably want her car to look like that one right there. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Look at how much camber he has in the front.
That's so sick. Isn't that sick? Isn't that like sick?
It's -19.
That's so crazy, yo.
That's doing a little bit too much.
No, that's doing it how the Japanese do it in Japan, in the motherland.
On the front, it looks crazy.
Yeah, people say that it's crazy style. This is Japanese call this crazy style. Yeah, we make a crazy style over here.
See how good I put these lug nuts on? Yeah. I put that one on too. This one has a nicer lip. Let's take this
Yeah.
one. These wheels are so heavy. Whoa! Whoa, down. Damn it.
It looks sick, but it's super wide. Bolt it up.
Oh my gosh. This is way wider
Oh,
than I thought it was gonna be.
Your flare is like ripping off on this side.
Yeah, remember I told you?
I didn't know it was ripping off the bottom.
Yeah, that's why I was so pissed. Because when we were installing the bags, I had to let all the pressure out, but I needed to do something in the front for something. And then when I lifted up the front, the back cracked off.
Jeez.
So we're gonna need to redo the flares, and this is probably gonna be the perfect time to do them. Now that we have new wheels, and I don't see this fitting with this.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
That's like a whole that's another 2 inches.
Oh my gosh. I haven't really driven this car that much since we put the 3P in, so I haven't gotten to setting it up on the phone, but Blaine has it on his phone and it's super cool, so we're gonna try to do it on mine. you, Shamara, for your order. If you guys are interested, we do have some embroidered Car Shop Bloom hoodies on the website. We do have some new shirts on there as well if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. It's carshopbloom.com. But anyways, the airlift was able to connect, so now we can try to, I guess,
air out the car.
Air it out as much as it can go. It looks so nice. I'm still debating what I want to do with the fenders, but I know for sure I'm gonna have to change it up. We're just going on a wheel testing.
No, watch this. Watch this. The center. So it's a 5-inch inner barrel.
This is a 5-inch inner barrel.
Yeah, that's how you measure wheels. So you always measure wheel from the bead to bead. You don't measure it from the outside of the rim. You measure it from bead to bead, or so from bead to bead.
Do you think that this is 5.5?
No, you measure it from the center of the bead. From
center of the bead?
I think from the center of the bead. So it's about a 5-inch inner barrel.
So this is if this is a 5-inch inner barrel, this would be the exact same size as the Minerva's.
Yeah, minus the face.
The face difference, yeah. Okay, let's see what these look like.
Why you built like that?
I didn't want to drop it or get up.
Shoot.
Wow.
That looks freaking nice. Fine, since you really want to see what it looks like on my car, I've already started putting it on. Fine, stop bugging me about it. I'll just try everything now. Gosh. There, are you happy? It looks so sick. Are you happy now?
Air it out now.
Oh, no. Oh, you thought this was air? Oh, no, this is how it is. The static is always low.
Wow. I want to see what the rears look like.
Fine. Fine, if you really want to, I'll put the rears on too, since you're just begging me. Fine, let's go.
Dad, how come you're testing it on your wheels, on your car?
Like, oh, your car's way nicer than mine. Can you please show me what it would look like to have a real stance car? Oh, that would look freaking sick.
That would look so cool.
This is how you're supposed to do it. Yeah?
Okay. Wow. I never seen a 240 nice like this. This would look so cool with all the, even though it's like all different color panels.
It'll fit, no problem. The back is not even bolted down. Look.
Oh.
Look at how far off the bottom it is. It's like a whole 2 inches pulled out.
Oh man.
Yeah, these rears are freaking huge.
They're gonna be hard to fit. Don't even show me up by making my wheels look nicer on your car.
No, I was just showing you how real cars look like.
I'm gonna lower the coilover just a little bit to see if we can get a little bit better fitment, just to see what it looks like, because I kind of don't like how there's such a big gap over here. It's kind of hard to tell what the wheels will look like, so I'm gonna lower it maybe about 1 inch or 2. everything was test fitted, I kind of have my definitive answer of we do need to cut off the flares. I'm just gonna go a little bit bigger because I don't really like the look of how the Datsun trucks have that huge flare on it. It looks really nice on those trucks, but I feel like for a 240, or at least for the S14, it wouldn't match as good because it's so round. So I'm gonna go just a little bit bigger, and then maybe see if I can make the lip kind of tilt a little bit instead of straight up and down how it is right now, and hopefully we can get it to fit. So that's kind of my plan right now. I've been putting off redoing the flares for so many months, so this kind of gives me that extra push to do it. And because I'm not that good of a painter, I'm probably gonna end up repainting the whole quarter panel up to the roof, just because I don't really know how to blend stuff and I want it to look really good. So we might as well just redo everything. I'm still debating if I want to keep the pink or if I want to go a different color. I really don't know what I want to do yet. Let me know if you guys have a good color suggestion down below, because I don't know what would fit the car better than pink at this moment, but I really want to change it up. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for hanging out with us today. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.